Hi guys, welcome in. Dave from Everything Disney Family coming at you. I'm sitting here with Truett, Cathy, the original founder of the Chick-fil-A here at, which is a little weird. You guys might think, like, what's going on behind me? This doesn't look like a traditional Chick-fil-A, and it's not quite a traditional Chick-fil-A because this is the original Chick-fil-A. They have a sit-down, full-service restaurant where they're going to wait on you, and a more advanced menu that has a cheeseburger on it. Yes, a cheeseburger, you heard that right. And they have a whole menu with pies and a whole bunch of stuff that you wouldn't find at your local Chick-fil-A right here in Atlanta, Georgia. We're right across from the Atlanta airport. It's right around the corner. But besides having the sit-down restaurant with the table service where they're waiting on you here, which you can order all the Chick-fil-A menu items right on there, along with a bunch of other sides like Brussels sprouts and sweet potato fries, and the list goes on and on.
Sweet potato souffle, I think it's called, or something.
And desserts and appetizers, fried pickles. Have you guys heard of fried pickles at Chick-fil-A? Well, what we're gonna do, not only do they have that restaurant, but inside to the right, so the left side is the restaurant. The right side is traditional Chick-fil-A.
Traditional Chick-fil-A that way.
And we're gonna bring you guys inside, and that has just your regular menu items.
With a couple extras.
There's
some few.
We're gonna bring you guys inside and show you both of the menus at just the regular Chick-fil-A fast service restaurant on the right, and then we're gonna bring you guys, we're actually gonna sit down and have a meal right here at the Dwarf House, and we're gonna bring you guys inside and show you the menu in there and show you the inside as well.
That little red door too.
And the little red door. Lauren, do you want to take them through the little red door? All right, guys, you're in kids mode.
Okay, wait, I want to show one more thing though. Look at his tie. And then he also has crushed ice. Okay, go ahead, Lauren.
Nice and slow, Lauren. Back up a little bit. Happy kids. Kids. I'm gonna come through, Lauren. I'm coming through the little red door. The little red door is a thing, guys. I don't know the story behind it, but it's a little red door.
Let's go in. Bye.
So this is just the pie section. This is like a dessert station up here all by itself. What's that, a Rice Krispie?
Brown butter marshmallow bar.
Right here, the little dwarf house. You're gonna find some dwarfs. You would think you're straight out of something out of a Disney movie, but you're not. You're here in Atlanta, Georgia. And look, here come the dwarfs. You're at the dwarf house. There's 7 of them. All right. So this is the restaurant side where you can get the traditional Chick-fil-A food, fast service. You order yourself, and they'll bring it out to you with a number, and they'll bring it right out to you. We're gonna come up here. I'm gonna show you guys the menu.
I don't think so. Let's go check real quick. Michael, we got it. We got it.
Fried orca, crispy sprout, cornbread muffins, sweet potato souffle, hot brown. We're in the sit-down restaurant. I'm going to show you guys the menus here. Starting off with the beverages. Lots of options from your hot coffee, lemonade, your iced tea. Breakfast served all day. I'm thinking about that chicken waffle. I don't know if you even have the years that it started. I think a Chick-fil-A breakfast platter sounds good too. Breakfast all day, lunch and dinner platters. The original Chick-fil-A sandwich. deluxe sandwich. Grilled ham and cheese. More of the hot brown. We're coming down here. Nuggets and strips. Salad and wraps. Feel free to pause the video at any time. Side to eat it.
I'm like, what do y'all call it?
Diet, lemonade, sweet tea.
Alright, here's the actual menu for the Dwarf House sit-down. Pickles, loaded Southern Chick-fil-A waffle potato fries, loaded up. Look at those bad boys. And feel free to pause the video at any time. Here's all your platters that you get 2 sides for, and right here is the hamburger that I'm getting, the giant burger. I wanted a hamburger at Chick-fil-A because when else can I get a cheeseburger at Chick-fil-A? Here's all your side options right here. Some coleslaw. I got the cornbread muffins, and I got 2, so I got the potato fries as well. Mac and cheese fruit cup. Lots of options. Here's salad, soups, and more. Lots of options. A Cobb salad, spicy Southwest salad, lunchtime trio. There's chicken noodle. Hot brown with salad. What's the hot brown?
I think this is the hot brown right here.
That's the hot brown. Okay, which is chopped chicken, cream cheese, cheddar cheese, cream sauce, paprika, and bacon. But not only that, there's more. Flip us around. You would think that's all. No. So you got your kids' menu. You got all your beverages. Drop down to desserts. Have you ever known Chick-fil-A to have banana pudding or fudge chunk brownie or frosted
Yes, actually
cookie?
they do have brownies and cookies normally.
How about a fried pie?
Nope, they don't have those.
How about a frosted lemonade?
Yeah, I think they have those.
Do they? How about breakfast served all day long with a Chick-fil-A skillet? Or a Chick-fil-A omelet? Do they
There's
have
chicken
that?
and waffle too.
Chicken and waffle, breakfast sides, lots of options, guys. Oh, it all looks so delicious. Not only while you're sitting here at the Chick-fil-A sit-down restaurant, you get a dinner with a view. We're located right next to the Hartsfield-Jackson Atlanta Airport. With planes coming in aplenty, you got another one right over here. Coming in, this is a big hub for a lot of airlines. So all just came. Now this is what Lauren got. Some mac and cheese, the original chicken sandwich, and the OG waffle fries. I got her. Here's what I got. I got some cornbread muffins with some butter, some honey, hamburger, 2 patties, waffle fries. And Nicole, what do you got?
I have a Chick-fil-A chicken sandwich, cornbread, and then the sweet potato souffle, I think.
Souffle.
I'm gonna try it.
That's what we got. All right. Historical Society, Chick-fil-A. I'm going to read this. The Chick-fil-A founder, S. Trust Cathy opened Dwarf Grill, later renamed the Dwarf House, at this site on May 23rd, 1946. After years of trial and error, it is here that Cathy invented what is widely considered the first ever fried chicken breast sandwich in the early 1960s. Cathy would go on to open the first Chick-fil-A restaurant in Atlanta's Greenbrier Mall in 1967, pioneering the concept of an in-mall restaurant. In addition to high-quality foods, Chick-fil-A is known for its customer service, philology, stewardship, pieology, and community involvement. I could have botched a few of those, sorry guys. Each Chick-fil-A restaurant, independently owned and operated, serves the community in which it resides. Chick-fil-A restaurants are famously closed on Sundays, providing team members with a day of rest. With thousands of restaurants nationwide, Chick-fil-A restaurant has grown to become one of the largest privately held family-owned restaurant chains in the US of A. Erected by the Georgia Historical Society and Chick-fil-A Inc. 2017.